What if I told you that the gold you see every day, from the rings on our fingers to the tech in our pockets, isn't from Earth at all, but rather literally space dust? Today, let's talk about one of the strangest secrets buried beneath our feet. Why does Earth even have gold mines? Because if you think about it, logically, all of Earth's gold should be locked away deep in the core, far out of reach. So why do we have gold in the crust, in rivers, in mines? That's where the story gets fascinating. When Earth first formed 4.5 billion years ago, it was a molten mess. Heavy metals like iron, platinum, and gold naturally sank to the center. By that logic, Earth's surface should be stripped of gold completely. But clearly, it's not. So what happened? Where did all this accessible gold come from? Here's the twist. Earth was given a cosmic delivery service around 3.9 billion years ago during something scientists call the Late Heavy Bombardment. Our planet was pummeled by asteroids over and over again. Violent fiery impacts. And those asteroids were loaded with precious metals, including gold. In other words, Earth's surface gold is basically a cosmic hand-me-down. Think about it this way. Without those asteroid strikes, you wouldn't have that tiny bit of gold in your smartphone, or that necklace passed down from your grandmother. Imagine an Earth where gold was just a myth, buried thousands of kilometers deep, never to be touched. That's the world we'd live in if space hadn't intervened. And here's something wild. Scientists believe that the amount of gold delivered by these asteroid strikes was so massive that if you spread it evenly, the crust might have been sprinkled with enough to cover the entire surface in a thin golden layer. It's like Earth got dusted with treasure. And then, over millions of years, hydrothermal fluids concentrated it into veins that became today's gold mines. So when you walk into a gold mine, you're not just standing in a hole in the ground. You're standing in the aftermath of a 4 billion year old cosmic collision, a fossilized memory of space rocks slamming into Earth, leaving behind little glowing breadcrumbs. So the next time you see a gold ring or a coin, remember, it's not just shiny metal. It's the echo of ancient asteroid strikes. It's stardust, carried across billions of years, and now sitting right in the palm of your hand. Here's my question for you. If gold is really space treasure, what other secrets from the cosmos are still hiding beneath our feet? If that thought made you pause for a second, hit the like button. Share this with someone who loves space mysteries as much as you do. And don't forget to subscribe, because the universe is full of secrets and we're just getting started.